today's weekly market wrap-up. Last week, both total market cap and Altcoin market caps dropped and also recovered while trading above the highs of last week. In today's video, we featured a few cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities, and Forex. So stay tuned.
Last week, crypto market cap dropped from 362 billion to 347 billion, but near weekend price recovered and now trading above the high of last week. If we draw a weekly trend line, we will see that any price drop near 320 to 300 billion is a good buying opportunity. Now if we look at the daily chart, we can see a trend line breakout happening. And if price hold above $357 billion, then we may visit $378 billion in near terms. Last week, Altcoin market cap dropped from 147 billion to 140 billion support and recovered quickly, and now it is trading above the high of last week. If we look at the daily chart, we will clearly see that $140 billion is a very important support, and the trend line breakout is happening here. So 155 billion is a near target and also a resistance. Moving on to BTC/USD weekly chart, BTC is at the same place like last week. It initially dropped at the beginning of the week and recovered and is now trading at the same price. Not much of any change. If we check the daily chart here, we can see that a small trendline breakout is happening here. If 11,400 support is held here, then we may visit 12,100 in near term. Now let's check ETH/USD weekly chart. ETH initially dropped last week, but $360 structure support held very well. Price recovered and bounced and is now trading above $400. So near resistance is now at 410 and above that at 418. So price need to move above 418 for next round of rally. Let's move to NEO/USDT now. Last week we predicted a $22 target for NEO. Since NEO touched the target, so near support is now at $19 and below that at $16. If price hold above $19, then target will be $29 and $35 in the upcoming days. Now let's check Chainlink chart. In Chainlink, price recovered 22 DMA in daily chart, so it is the first bullish indication. If we draw the Fibonacci extension, then we can see that $17 is now some resistance, and if price move above $17, then next target will be at $18. $16 will now remain as the structure support. Moving on to equities now. First, let's check S&P 500 here. We already mentioned that there is a double top resistance at 3400. since price broke out above resistance last week and is now trading above 35. So 3400 resistance now becomes support. If we draw Fibonacci extension line here, we can see that 35.17 is now the first resistance, and above that 36.63 is the second resistance. Moving on to Tesla now. Tesla had been on fire for the last week and made a high of 2300. So 1900 is now the near support, and if price hold above 2200, then next target will be at 2658. For all short-term long trading, stop loss will be now at 1900. Moving on to Amazon now, it looks like Amazon broke out after 6 weeks of consolidation. 3200 is now the near support, and the next support will be at 2850. If price hold above 3200, then Amazon will move towards 3800 in near term. Now let's check the weekly chart of Baidu. It seems like Baidu is developing a cup and handle pattern. Breakout point is at $132 level. If price breakout above $132, then cup and handle target will be at $180. Now let's move on to commodities. First we will check the chart of gold. Gold hit our initial target of 1968. Now 1950 is the near-term support, and if price hold above 1968, then target will be at $20-30 at near term. Silver also touched our initial target at 27.41. So 27.20 is now the near support, and if price hold above 27.41, the next target will be at 28.48. Moving on to Forex now, last week we predicted a target of 1.19 for Euro-Dollar, and the target was completed after that. Now the price need to move above 1.20 for next round of rally, otherwise some corrections are possible. Next we will check the chart of pound dollar. Pound dollar also broke out above initial resistance. Now if price hold above 1.32, then the next target will be at 1.36 in the upcoming days.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you need any information about any particular chart, then feel free to contact us. Thank you.